2016, 2017. In the 2018 is my best rank, 877. 2019, even if I scored 61 marks, also I got 4,500 because paper was very easy at that point of time. In 2020, I scored 57 marks. I got 1400 rank. See, these are two books which I have tried to make the short notes. This is for engineering services. 10 GS papers are there now. For those things, I have made these short notes. And this is for engineering subjects. Like this, for each and every subject, I tried to make the short notes. Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. This video is made on the request of our friend. In the comment section, he has asked about you are working as an assistant engineer and you have been writing GATE exam. So why don't you give suggestions for GATE and engineering services? So that's why I'm making this video on the request of our friend. Okay. So this video is about how I prepared for GATE and IAS preparation. Why? Because I didn't get any top 10 ranks in GATE and engineering services. So I'm not the right person to guide or to say that this is good, this is bad, this is what we have to, this is what we should not do. But I can tell about myself, right? How I prepared, what's changed my life, how I have so far prepared for GATE exam and how I am qualifying all the GATE exams so far. I disqualified only once between. So I wanted to share my journey, and from my experience, you will definitely get your answers to your questions, which whatever you have. So now let's get into the video. See, friends, my journey of preparation of GATE has started in 2016 because that was the first time when I applied for GATE exam. I didn't know much about the GATE exam, and I didn't have any go to any coaching institute. But what I've done, I have taken few books from my friends 1 month before, and I have started preparing it for few most important topics. Like I'm mine is electrical engineering background. I should have written it here itself. Okay, triple E. And whoever people are watching this video, if you don't belong to triple E also, please watch it till the end. Why? Because I'm going to tell about my experience, how I have qualified. Okay, I may not know the domain knowledge of other branches, but the preparation is same, right? Strategy will be same because these are engineering based examinations, not GS type UPSC or any public service group 1 type examinations, right? This is not UPSC or PCS exam. These are technical exams. So the pattern and strategy will be same. Alright, if you don't belong to triple E also, please try to watch this video till the end. Right? For example, in electrical engineering, there are few subjects, core subjects, where definitely questions will be coming from them. And the best part in GATE exam is 30 marks, they belong to maths and aptitude, and 70 marks, they belong to our core subjects. Right? So in that 30 marks also, 15 marks will be aptitude. Right? I think I'm correct, right? Yes. 15 marks will be from aptitude. So I always used to keep the target that I should get at least 10 to 11 marks. Because even if you all those 10 questions we may not know, right? So we may leave one question, or sometimes one question we may get incorrect. So at least 10 to 11 marks we should get, right? So this was the focus area. Qualifying GATE is very easy. I'm not talking about how to qualify examinations. Let's discuss about how to get a good rank. At least if not PSU, we should be in a position to get IIT seat or NIT MTech seat, right? The main purpose of a GATE examination is not for the PSUs, it's for the further studies, right? Now the PSUs are using this common exam for the recruitment purpose, right? So in 2016, it was my first attempt, and without coaching, I have taken few books up from my friends, and I have written the exam. And fortunately, I qualified that exam. The cutoff was 25 only. I think you all know the basic cutoff, minimum cutoff is 25 marks. Okay, GATE will never go uh, lower than that. If people are getting more marks, the cutoff will increase. But if not, the cutoff will be 25, right? So I have qualified this exam 2016, and then I got the confidence that okay, my engineering subject, whichever I've read in the classes, whichever I've prepared for those four years, it is good to some extent, right? Because I've qualified this because of self-study. Very few people, me and one girl, and she is also my colleague at present in my department, and one of my friend, he is also preparing for group one services, and he couldn't able to get unfortunately. But we three people, we qualified GATE without any coaching. We were only three people in our whole college, in our whole department, right? And then what happened next? Uh, that confidence gave me a very good boost up, and my parents, what they have done, they joined me in the MUDIT Coaching Institute, which is, I think, for the GATE and engineering services, I feel it was the best institute at that time. Even today, also, I think definitely MUDIT is the leading institute in the GATE and engineering services. There is no doubt in that. The quality of education, quality of classes, what they say, they were really good. Why I'm telling, because it is not a promotion video. In 2017, engineering services pattern was changed. Earlier, similar to UPSC, general studies were there. But in 2017, what happened? Syllabus entirely changed. But MUDIT, it created its curriculum of classes in such a way that I could able to score good marks in the new pattern exam also. But unfortunately, I failed in IAS prelims. I was short of 3 marks. I was really disappointed at that time because those 3 marks, I know if even if I have left few questions also, I would have scored those 3 marks. But because of MUDIT only, today I am eating food that means in Telugu I can tell it very clearly uh, that uh, it gave me the livelihood. I think this is the good word which I can tell. Right, because of MUDIT Coaching Institute only, the scholarship test was there. I have written that I got 25% discount. So hardly I paid some 55,000 rupees at that time, at that point of time, 2017. Now I think it will be in at least 1 lakh or 90,000, 80,000 like that. I don't know. Right. So those 50,000, 55,000 which my parents have paid for me, it paid off. That coaching helped me a lot. It is a best institute so far. I can tell it clearly. Maybe in the recent time, maybe people institute might have come. I don't know. But MUDIT will always be MUDIT, right? So in 2017, I failed in engineering services prelims by 3 marks, but I understood that okay, I was closer to the success. And in the GATE also, I scored 44.44 marks, and the rank is almost some approximately 3,500 all India level. So it is very difficult to get PSU. Right then, I didn't understand that. See, I've gone to coaching institute. I have good notes. I prepared very well. But why didn't I qualify GATE, or why didn't I qualify the engineering services prelims? So I was thinking about all these things. Later, what happened? We all know uh, B. Singh sir, who is the chairman of MUDIT. He always conducts seminars. My father accidentally, I think when he was traveling in the bus from his office to home, he have seen one banner in the Hyderabad, a place Koti name is there. The place is Koti. So there he have seen the banner that okay, B Singh sir is taking career counseling classes. And my father said, okay, you better go to career counseling classes of B Singh sir. Maybe you may be getting some insights of how to prepare for the further examinations because coaching is done. You are sitting at home idle. So better try to go to the seminar session. So the 2017 was also my pass out year. When I was in the final year, I went to the coaching. So I went the that seminar session, and that one seminar, that 1.5 hour class of B Singh sir. I think even today he'll be taking those seminars, one or the other way. Not maybe in Hyderabad also. Definitely it will be there. Wherever medicine institutes are there, definitely one session will be there of B Singh sir or AP Singh sir. Right? That one session changed my life entirely. I'll I'll tell you my life example. See, 2017 entirely it was a flop. IES I didn't qualify. Even GATE also I got very meager marks, 44.44, and rank also some 3,500. But 2018, my life changed completely because of that one career session counseling classes. I'll see. I've qualified IAS prelims. I got 877 rank, and I got interview call letters from uh, this Steel Authority of India. SAIL, sorry, SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, sorry, SAIL, and Naval Lignite Corporation also. And even some from other PSCs also, I would have got, but I couldn't able to apply it because of the last date, something else. I couldn't able to check, and it gonna I missed some PSUs, but 877 is also not a very good rank, but it was a decent rank for the OBC category people. At least you'll be getting one or the other PSU. And at that time, I think SAIL has given some openings of some 200 to 300. At that time, PSU's openings were very much. Nowadays, PSUs are not giving that many number of jobs, but at that time it was. And in IAS mains also, I got 375 marks. I couldn't able to prepare because at that point of time, I already joined the present job which I am doing, the electricity board assistant engineer job, which is a very good job. I mean, my package is also some about 20 lakhs here at present. So because of that training part, all those things, I couldn't able to concentrate much on IAS mains 2018. So I disqualified in mains, but I had a decent job in my hand. Now let's come to the elephant in the room. What changed my life? That one session, that one seminar on the career guiding classes of B Singh sir, how to prepare for GATE, how to prepare for engineering services, it changed my life, right? And I've done the most simple task what B Singh sir has said. That simple task, it took 6 months of my time, but I got succeeded. I got RINL, junior manager post. Next I got Transco EE. Next I got TGSPDCL EE. Right? I didn't join this. I've done 3 months job here. Now here 7 years of job. In 2018 only. This is also in 2018. Okay, this job I applied in 2016. The exam was conducted in 2018. This happens with all the aspirants. I think you people will be resonating with me. And even this also I got All India third rank. This is the best rank which I've got so far. All India third rank, single digit rank. And my aim also is to secure single digit rank in any GATE exam in the future examinations, right? And see, friends, till date, I'm applying to GATE exam and I'm qualifying with these without preparing separately. See, now I'm preparing for UPSC. I got I'm in my state, Telangana State Group 1 Services. PCS exam is there, no? I qualified that and I've secured Assistant Commissioner of Labor post, right? And even though I applied for 2026 GATE and I will not prepare for that. I'll directly go to the examination hall and I'll write the exam and qualify. Right? So what I have done? What changed my life? What did B Singh sir said in that session? Very simple thing. Sir said that make a formula notes. Make a formula notes. Okay? Very simple. But it is very hard to do. Why? Because in GATE we have 13 subjects, right? For electrical engineering. Maybe for other branches, it may be plus or minus some 10 to 15 or 10 to 15 to 18 subjects can be there. And for engineering services, there are two GS paper that consists of 10 subjects. At that time it was 10. Now I don't know. And the core subjects and also some other additional subjects which are not there in GATE, but in IAS, few additional subjects will be there. So I'm not talking about triple E here because I don't know, want other department people to get disconnected with this. So additionally, whichever subjects which are not in GATE, engineering services will be there. So the number of subjects will be increasing. For all those subjects, okay, I sir asked to make a formula notes and it took me 6 months of my time. Okay, 6 months. 6 months. I've done hard work on that. Okay, I only used to do the same one thing only. I used to take my notes of made easy class notes will be there now. I used to revise it. I used to solve the problems, and when then I used to understand that okay, these questions are being asked in the GATE exam, engineering services exam. So these formulas are very important, and I used to mark those formulas very important, and I have made the notes. Thanks for watching this video. If I have in a hurry or some sort of in the flow, if I had missed anything, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'll try to give clarification for that. Okay, so again I'm requesting, please don't ask the short notes PDF. At present, I can't scan those things, and I can't send to you people. Okay, so please understand. At present, I am not having time to prepare for UPSC only, so I can't do all these things. Right? So thank you, thanks a lot, friends. Let's meet in the next video. Jai Hind.